Today, I want to talk about a hot topic that has been making waves in the dancehall scene, the murder probe involving Jashii, one of the rising stars of the genre. If you don't know who Jashii is, he is a Jamaican dancehall artist who has been gaining popularity with songs like Cream of the Crop and 25/8. He is known for his catchy hooks, energetic delivery, and controversial lyrics. He has also been involved in some beefs with other artists and has made some bold statements about the police and the crime situation in Jamaica. But recently, he has been in the spotlight for a different reason. He is a person of interest in a murder investigation. According to reports, Jashii is suspected of having some involvement in the killing of Omar Romy Wright, 45, who was shot dead by gunmen on Shortwood Road on June 7th. The police say that Jashii's mother had an altercation with Wright earlier that day, and that Jashii and Wright had an argument before the shooting. Jashii's legal team has made contact with the police and he is expected to undergo a question and answer session soon. The police have also asked the public to be patient and allow them to conduct a thorough investigation. Whatever the case may be, I hope that justice will prevail and that the truth will come out. I hope that Jashii will cooperate with the police and clear his name if he is innocent.